Hi guys, there's a way to block website ads on any Android phone. First, go to Settings, Connections, More Connection Settings. Then More Connections. After, then click Private DNS. After click Private DNS, switch it from the off positions to Private DNS provider. Then type in the text box below. Type in dns.adguard.com.
Logo ka? Nakuha mo
After that, essential filter on the Android phone while you're browsing.